Everything to do with making apple pectin at home so you can cut the grocery store out of your life. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. Seven tart apples, unripened, green as best, or about 2 pounds of crab apples. Cut the apples into quarters, but do not peel or core. Combine with water and lemon juice in a stainless steel or enamel saucepan. To do this, you'll need about 4 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Bring to a boil over high heat. Cover, reduce the heat, and simmer for about 40 minutes, stirring occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn on the bottom. After your time is up and everything is softened quite well, you're going to go ahead and strain this through a coarse sieve. Either kind is fine, and discard all the solids. Then pour through a jelly bag or several layers of cheesecloth. Ladle into pre-sanitized jars. Wipe your rims real good. Put your lids on. You know the drill. In order to save this for your summer jam making fest, process each jar, pints or half pints, in a boiling water bath for 5 minutes. Use your imagination to combine your favorite fruits with an equal amount of homemade apple pectin to make your own signature fruit spreads. The pectin content of apples does decrease during storage, so remember to make this apple pectin in the fall when apples are at their freshest. I have an entire playlist set up of jams and jellies and everything to do with that, so please check it out. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.